Hi guys, hello everyone! So during our today's tutorial we're gonna paint these lovely flowers with a frame, and I already created for you sketch, and our next step is we will need reference picture. For that we go to Actions, Canvas, Reference, and that's our reference picture. So, and I need to be on a new layer that is underneath of everything here. And first of all I will go and grab Boo Essential Onyx, and our next step is I need to go and grab this bright beige color, something between beige and orange color. Something like that. Now lower the size of our brush, and we have this inner part, not so much, somewhere here. After that we go to slightly darker color, increase the size a little bit. Okay, like that. Now we need to create one more layer. Move to dark green color, and I will grab Boo Sharp Amethyst. Lower the size of the brush. Well, now let's increase the size a little bit. And we need to show flowers. And here, little by little, we need to add all those details. Okay, now let's switch to a little bit purplish color. Here, behind. Okay, so now our next step is we're gonna go and add some textures, but before that we need to blend sharp lines. For that, press select. We are on our layer with frame. Go to blending tool and grab Boo Gem Eraser Blender. This blender is very smooth. It's right what we need now. To create a new layer that is on the top of our floral frame, press select, press clip and mask. After that, switch to this beige color, and I think I want to have something like Watercolor stamp 9. And as you see, it's already very beautiful. If you like, you can go to orange color, brighter one, create one more layer, place it between two layers, and now this layer in the clip and mask mode, and you can grab BooStudio 16, rotate it, and think where you want to place it, maybe somewhere here. And after you see here, this part is overlapping, so we can just go and grab eraser and erase it. I don't want to destroy this color. I like that. If you like, you can duplicate all this layer. If you like, you can change the color of our top layer. Press hue, saturation, brightness, and think about the colors that you want to leave. Even like this one is also pretty lovely. I think I will grab this part, cut, blend that one. Now to turn on this part, go to lower layer, press cut, like that, and just blend it like this. Now our next step is, once again, you can duplicate it, make it more saturated, less saturated, it's all up to you. I will keep it like that. And after that, merge it together with our frame. And our next step is, let's do something with our florals. Well, I think we don't need our reference picture anymore, so we will turn it off. Okay, great. Now next step, okay, we created our new layer and put it in a clip and mask mode. After that, we grab Boom Moonstone splashes, and I want to add some color variations. One more suggestion, actually, I want to make our picture not transparent, not that transparent, so I will merge it together, create one more layer, press hue, saturation, brightness, and put it in a turn it into a white color. Do same. Now we can keep painting. Keep it in some color variations. So my next step is, I will do same with stem, clip and mask, a little bit darker color, somewhere here, or even darker. At the same time, lighter. Somewhere like that. Do same here. To Watercolor stamp 19. Blend some sharp lines. Like that. And I think one more is in this part. Okay, great. Boom Moonstone splashes. Maybe even a reddish color. I need to show shade from the flower here. Actually, what I'm doing now. Now our next step is let's just merge it together, merge together, merge together, merge together, and merge together. Lines here. Like that. Okay, done. Now let's turn off our sketching layer. We don't need it anymore. It looks very natural and cool actually. And if you like, you can lower the opacity a little bit. Well, and now I think our piece is finished. I do like the way how it looks.